Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy twisted updo on short hair. To start, I'm just going to loosely curl the hair, and I'm just using my straighteners and I'm curling everything away from the face. Once you've got everything curled, apply some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then I'm going to put some texture powder all around the crown. Again, I'll list everything below. And then pop a little bit at either side of the head as well. Now I'm going to divide the hair into 3 sections. So I'm going to take out that middle section, but I'm going to make sure that it's wider at the top than it is at the bottom. So it makes an upside down triangle shape. Clip those side sections out of the way for later. And we're just going to secure that middle section into a low ponytail using a clear elastic band. Then pinch and pull at the crown for a little bit more messy texture and secure in place with a little bit of hairspray. I've cut up a hair donut and I'm going to take a thin piece of that and just roll this into a long shape. Then I'm going to wrap it around the elastic band and then just secure it with a few bobby pins on either side. Now I'm just going to give that ponytail a slight back comb just to help those shorter layers stay put, and then I'm going to pop an elastic band on the very end. Now I'm going to take that elastic band, I'm going to pull it up to the top of that padding and just tuck it behind, and then just secure it with another bobby pin. Then we're going to just fan out that section of hair so it covers the bottom of that hair padding, and again pin on either side to keep it secure. Now release those side sections down. And working on the right hand side first, I'm just going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. Gather the rest up in your hand and twist it towards the head, bringing it over the top of that ponytail. So keep twisting until you get to the left hand side of the head, and then add a clear elastic band to the very ends. Slip a couple of bobby pins through the length of the twist, and then just secure the bottom of that twist onto the padding with a few bobby pins. Then we're going to repeat on the opposite side, so leave your hair to frame the face down. Twist the rest of the hair towards the head, but this time we're going to bring it over to the right hand side of that little bun and secure it with an elastic band. Hold it to the right hand side and secure with a couple of bobby pins to that hair padding. And again, slip a few bobby pins down the length of the twist to keep it secure. If you have any bits that keep popping out, just wrap the ends around the bobby pin and tuck it underneath so you can't see them. Next, spend a couple of minutes just pinching and pulling at those twists, securing it in place with some hairspray, and do this on both sides of the head. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.